Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to do a glamorous makeup look. So to start off, I'm going to apply the Unicorn Essence by Fársali all over my face. This product is so good to your skin and it smells very good. So I'm going to spread it out with the clean tips of my fingers, and next I'm gonna apply the rose gold elixir. I like to mix these two products together because it will give me a better effect in my foundation, and also it makes everything looks beautiful and moisturized. So I'm gonna do a little bit of massage in my skin because it helps my skin to absorb the product and also improve the circulation. And now if you want to apply primer, you can do it. I'm gonna skip this step and apply my foundation. The foundation that I'm gonna use today is Beyond Perfect Skin. To control the amount of product in my face, I'm gonna apply with a concealer brush first and blend it out using a damp beauty blender. I'm using 3D HD by Sigma Beauty, but you can use any blender that you have at home. It will work very well. And next, for contour and highlight, I'm gonna use the Cream Concealers by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I just apply a small amount of these concealers all over my face, everywhere I want to highlight and stand out, and also contour and create shadows in my face. And to blend, I'm gonna use the same beauty blender that I was using before and carefully spread it out. The contact lenses that I'm using in this video are very natural and comfortable in the eyes. This is from Desio Eyes, and the shade that I'm using is Charming Green. This is from the new collection, so in case you're interested, make sure to visit the website. They are creating amazing new colors, so I really recommend for you to try this out. To set everything, I'm gonna use translucent powder by Mercier. And I'm gonna apply this powder with a damp beauty blender and also focus in the areas that I want to highlight. Next, I'm gonna use the Contour Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and with the darker shade, I'm gonna set the contours that I applied before. So with the Spotlight Duster brush by Sigma, I'm gonna apply this contour and blend it out. So I'm ready to remove the excess powder from my face using a blush brush. And moving on to my eyes, I'm gonna apply the white eyeshadow base by P.Louise Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use the concealer brush that comes in the set. So I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid and especially focus this white eyeshadow base in the tear duct area to highlight. To set the white eyeshadow base and to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, I'm gonna apply the Gosh Light Blush Light by Melt Cosmetics, and also I'm gonna highlight below the brows using a small pencil brush, as you can see here. Next, for blush in my face and also in the eyelids, I'm gonna use the shade Baldy by Melt Cosmetics as well, and this blush is very pigmented, so I'm gonna apply with a big brush. This is a powder brush. I like to apply with this brush because it helps to spread out the product and make it pigmented as I want it to be at the same time. So with a blending brush, I'm gonna apply this color in the eyelids and also focusing the shade in my crease. Blending in circular motions to diffuse the color. Keep in mind that I don't apply too much color in the eyelids, but I want to have the same pink shade that I have in my cheeks. In the center of my eyelid, to highlight even more and create a fun look, I'm gonna apply a chunk glitter. I'm using a concealer brush to apply, and remember that I wanna apply just in the center to create the dimension that I want for this look. Alright, and next, for a fun look, I'm gonna apply gel liner, and I wanna draw a cat eye effect today. So now that I applied my fake lashes by BH Cosmetics, I'm gonna stick the fake lashes with the natural ones using a little bit of mascara, and this is by Maybelline. And now I'm gonna apply highlighter also by Melt Cosmetics, and this is the shade Stargazer. I really love this color, so I'm gonna apply it just in the highest points of my face using the high cheekbone brush. And next, for lips, I'm gonna use a hot pink shade. All the lip products are also from Melt Cosmetics, so the lip contour that I'm using is the shade called Jinx. This is a amazing lip liner. For the liquid lipstick, I'm using the shade B-Movie, which is this amazing pink shade. I love this makeup in a matte lip. And the lip gloss that I'm using right on top is the shade Lurk. It's a very amazing hot pink shade with some blue reflects on it, and I really like this shade. Right on top of this lippy is stunning. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. Really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did, and comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what you want to see next here in my channel. And I see you later in the next videos. Mwah. Bye.